But it's there we go. Thank you very much. Let's go, boys. How am I not in stealth? Good question. I was definitely in that. Thank you. How is this guy at full health? There we go. Oh, I fucking resisted it. God damn it. I was too quick in the draw. Okay, we're good. That's not good. Okay, this is actually fine. Here, watch this. Boop. Thank you, fellas. Appreciate that. Yeah, we'll sit here instead. Alright, that worked out. Oofta. Probably too aggressive here with this this breaker. Probably a little too aggressive there. Oofta. Can't remember anyone's name. I don't know the name of the good one, unfortunately. That worked. I don't know, we get to chill on my couch watching memes and streams. That sounds about right, Adolf. That sounds like a good life to me. Listen, man, if you're happy, who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? Well, I hope you've been enjoying the memes and the streams, my guy. Besides, it's Friday. It's weekend. You can do whatever the fuck you want. Alright, it's probably a bad idea to go back to the same hut over here, but you know what? Fuck it, man. We're gonna do it live. Fuck it. We'll do it live. Thank you. What are we doing here, fellas? What are we doing here? 2? Alright, yep, alright. This is, what the fuck are we doing, boys? What the fuck are we doing? Oh my god, this is the worst timeline. This is the worst timeline. That's not good. Yeah, this is okay, this is okay, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. Jesus, our guy almost got fucking nuke-arenoed over there. Come on, y'all. Nah, I'm gonna go this way, y'all. Peace. Nah. Yeet. Goodbye. Oh, that's not good. Yep, alright. You guys got him, right? You're good? Yeah, we're good. Run! Run! Haul ass, dude! Haul ass! Nah. Nah, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Well, fuck. Y'all got him, right? You're good? Yeah, you're good. Murder this man. One more CC will do. There we go. GG. Fuck it. We'll do it live. Damn right, Zara. Damn right. Oofta. I even almost got the dick over here. That first opener. That was dangerous. I'm not sure how that happened though, because like they were on me. It's all right. Are we really gonna do this, boys? We do this? All right. Cause I sit here and play with my dick instead. That's all right. I'll do that. I don't give a fuck. Where? Oh, where? Stealth. Go into stealth, please. Thank you. Cola SWTOR is rated to 27 viewers. God damn. Jesus Christ. Well, thanks, dude. If you guys haven't checked him out before, shout out to Cola SWTOR. He does the big boy SWTOR stuff. Welcome to my shit show. For those of you with children in the room, hut, left. I am not a PG streamer, so I'm sorry about that. All right, the mouse fell asleep. Good. Thanks for the fat raid, dude. I appreciate that. How was your stream, my guy? How you doing? You guys haven't checked him out before. He does the big boy stuff. Does a lot of SWTOR. Obviously, it's SWTOR is in his name, so you can imagine plays a lot of SWTOR on his stream. Good guy. Go check him out. Well, there we go. Just tanking as we do in the all stealth game. That's fine.